Today, I'm gonna show you how to move your existing memory from ChatGPT or Gemini or any other LLM directly to Claude. First, let's talk about the problem of switching AI tools. So you've spent months getting ChatGPT to actually get you your tone, your style, everything. Then you discover Claude's new features, you think they're actually cool and you want to make the switch. But what happens with the context you currently have? It's gone. Months of data completely gone. And you're back from the start explaining yourself to Claude from scratch. And today I'll show you the solution to this problem. So the first thing you need to do is to go to Claude, go to settings and look for capabilities. Here you're gonna see this memory section. Down below there is import memory from other AI providers. Basically, Claude will provide a prompt for us so we can put it in the other AI providers and it will extract all of our existing memory. And if I click on start import, here we can see the prompt. I'll just copy it and head it to ChatGPT. And I'm gonna paste the prompt into a new chat. So I'll just scroll down and you can pause and see the whole prompt for yourself. But basically it's a structured prompt where it says to extract the identity, the instructions, career, projects, and everything general that we could have in our memory. I'm gonna click enter and we can see that this prompt actually did a pretty good job. So I'm gonna copy it. I'm back into Claude and I'm gonna be pasting this here. Let's click add to memory. We can see that Claude is currently updating it. Okay, so I cannot really show you what's inside my memory because there's some private stuff, but Claude did a really good job updating my memory. It's totally correct. If you use Gemini, you should do exactly the same process. If you use Grok, exactly the same process. It doesn't matter as long as you take this prompt from Claude and input it into a new chat into your preferred AI tool. That would be it, guys, for this video. If you want more easy step-by-step AI tutorials like this one, hit that subscribe button. See you in the next one.